In January 2022, the government of Meghalaya had shortlisted the names of 5 IPS officers that included Mukesh Agarwal, Singh Deo, Dr. L Ram Bishnoi, Singh and Idashisha Nongrang for the appointment as the next Director General of Police in the state. Later, the Union Public Service Commission had shortlisted the names of Singh and Mukesh Agarwal of the 1989 IPS batch and Dr. L Ram Bishnoi of the 1991 batch for appointment as the new DGP of Meghalaya. It may be reminded that after the retirement of the DGP of Meghalaya R. Chandranathan on the 31st of December 2021, IPS Idashisha Nongrang was promoted as Special DGP Meghalaya. An official communique of 16th May 2022 had announced the Governor's order on the appointment of Dr. L Ram Bishnoi IPS 1991 batch, who is currently serving as Special Director General of Police, Training and Armed Police, ASSAM, as the new DGP of Meghalaya, whose appointment will come into effect on the assumption of his new office. Mention may be made that Dr. L Ram Bishnoi is a postgraduate in veterinary science and is known for his exemplary dedication and responsibility in maintenance of law and order in the state of Assam.